Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss the subject economics for managers. In this unit 1, whatever the important questions is there for the 8 marks. In this video we will complete 8 marks questions which will be helpful for you to your final examination to attempt the answers. Okay. So in unit number 1 introduction to economics. So limited questions is there. Okay, so you can easily understand by watching this video. Don't skip the video and watch till the end. Okay, so the first question and the important question from unit number 1 you are having: define managerial economics and discuss its nature and scope. Okay, first you need to understand what is managerial economics. So according to the different authors, they have defined different definitions of the economics. So mainly they have given two definitions in the material. According to Spencer, managerial economics is the integration of economic theory with business practice for the purpose of facilitating decision making and forward planning by management. What about this managerial economics means? It is nothing about the whatever the theories you are having in the economics along with the practices. Means to improve your organization we will perform certain tips and tricks in the organization. So based on the economic theory along with the business practice for the decision making, this managerial economics will be useful. Whatever the thing you are having in a business or an organization, it will be helpful for you to understand the forward planning also. It is nothing about the future planning also. So what it will do means, whatever the economic models is there, whatever the theories is there, it will help you to understand your business position. It will help you to understand your business problems and it will allocate the solutions to your business problems. That is called managerial economics. Okay, I hope that you have got clarity. So they have asked scope of managerial economics. Okay, whatever the thing they have asked, your answer should be in a point wise. Here you are having more than 10 to 11 side points you are having. The first one is objectives of a business firm or a organization. So objectives is nothing about the goals So because of this managerial economics in any organization, it will do some framework. Means what are the tasks we need to complete in this month, what are the goals we need to reach it. So it will perform a framework of your goals in a business or an organization. Next one, it is resource allocation. Resource allocation is nothing about the whatever the output you want to achieve. So to achieve your output, some raw materials, whatever the resources you are having, that you need to allocation it. Means allocation is nothing but you need to achieve it. Okay, you need to adjust the resources whatever you are having in an organization. Okay students, next one you are having demand analysis and demand forecasting. Because of this managerial economics, it will understand your demand in an organization. For example, you are selling this pen, you are having a business of your pens manufacturing. So you will analyze your demand. Means how out of 100 how many people are using the pens, what is the demand over here. Demand forecasting is nothing about the future demand. For example, till now every month 10 pens were being selling. So in future it may happen to 20 also. That is called demand forecasting. Demand forecasting is a technique which will be effectively work for you to analyze your future demand. Okay, next one, competitive analysis. Competitive analysis means whatever the competition is there in the present market, it will do the analysis. And strategic planning means whatever the strategies we want to perform in the decisions or in any organization thing, it will be helpful. Production management. Production management, how much materials you are producing, how effectively it will be helpful. Okay, so how much input you are using it and how much output you are getting it, that is called production management. You are managing the production. Okay, next one you are having cost analysis. Cost analysis nothing about the expenses analysis. Whatever the expenses you are getting in an organization, it will make the analysis. It will help you to give the price strategies also. According to the final outcome of a product, you will fix certain price. So pricing strategies also, for that also it will be helpful. Market structure analysis. Market structure analysis means whatever the market structure right now is there right now in the market, what is the preferred product you are having. According to that it will make the analysis. So simple by own you can write it if you remember the side points. Okay, out of 10 to level in the examination, all 5 to 6 is more than enough side points. Okay, any 6 or 7 points, it is more than enough. So you are having profit management also, it will help you to increase your profits with the help of managerial economics. Okay, next one you are having a nature of managerial economics. And one thing I want to tell you in the examination point of view means, for example, if they have asked role, if they have asked nature, if they have asked objectives or scope or importance, anything whatever it might be happened, it might be asked in the question. Whatever the points just now we have learned, no, this one you can include it. Okay, it is nothing wrong in that. Okay, so in nature also, whatever the points we have discussed till now, that will only be here only, that will only be here in the nature of managerial economics. Okay, so instead of writing like this in the paragraph manner, write like a point wise thing. Okay, so this is the first important question from unit number 1. Okay, so differences I am not explaining, but differences is not much important, but you can read it by your own also. Okay, next important question is, explain the relationship of managerial economics with other disciplines. So you need to explain this managerial economics with other subjects. Okay, other disciplines means with other theories and tools and techniques. Okay, so what is managerial economics? It will have certain tools, techniques or certain principles which will be helpful to analyze your business problems. It will give certain solution to this, right? So this is called business managerial economics. So managerial economics will have other disciplinaries, like in other subjects they are like accounting, theory of decision making, mathematics, statistics, operation research, computer science, psychology, and organization behavior. These are all disciplines which will include in managerial economics. So whatever the things you are having in this, it all combinedly include in managerial economics. Managerial economics concept is a combination of all this. Okay, so that is called various disciplines. Okay, the first one you are having managerial economics and traditional economics. Okay, differences. Managerial economics is nothing about the whatever the things you are having in an organization, it will be helpful you to make a decision. Okay, but what is traditional economics means? Traditional economics is nothing about the firm or a organization goals, which will be only helpful to achieve your goals in an business. Okay, for that purpose only it will be there. Okay, but economics and managerial economics are nothing about the same kind of problem we are facing in an organization, which will be helpful to achieve your business goals. Okay, managerial economics and accounting. In managerial economics, whatever the things we have learned, that will be enough. And in accounting, like it will help you to analyze your profit maximization. Okay, growth maximization, theory of firms, like different accounting concepts also you will use in management economics or managerial economics. Okay, next one you are having managerial economics and theory of decision making. So whatever the problems you are having in an organization or a business, to find out the solution to that particular decision making for particular decision, so it will be helpful you to take the quick decisions. Okay, to understand the complications of your organization, it will be helpful for you to achieve your organizational goals along with the increase in the profit also. Next, managerial economics and mathematics. In mathematics also certain topics are included in managerial economics, like geometry, matrices, calculus, algebra, logarithms, trigonometry, input and output tables. So like this type of concepts also, like mathematic concepts also have used in managerial economics. Like managerial in statistics what we have learned, regression analysis, correlation, this type of things also will be helpful for you to managerial economics. Next one, you are having operations research. Operation research means about the whatever the machines you are having, whatever the inventory you are having, based on that you are doing, like different you are having different disciplines you are having. So same thing here also, 5 to 6 points is more than enough. Okay, so account, stats, mathematics, operation research, traditional economics, psychology, organizational behavior, like that in general whatever you feels that you need to understand it. Okay, so this is the second most important question from unit number 1. Okay, next important question you are having, what is mean by decision making and what are the steps involved in decision making process. Okay, what is decision making? Finding out the solutions for your present problems whatever you are having in an organization. To resolve that problems we can do certain decisions, that is called decision making. It is a complete process of identifying and selecting an action from a number of alternative courses of action for resolving a problem. Whatever the options we are having, choosing a wise option to resolve your problems, that is called decision making. Okay, so in decision making there are like around 7 steps, that is called procedure of decision making. The first one, you need to identify the objectives. Objectives means whatever you are having the goals in an organization or a business, you need to specify that. Okay, what is the goal of an organization, like that. Okay, next one, you need to identify the problem, means what is the main problem of in a firm, like that you need to understand the problem. Next one, you need to have the generating alternatives to find out the after finding the definition of the problem, you need to select the like alternative things what you need to do. Okay, for example, some so-called problem you are facing in an organization, you need to think and generate the ideas whichever is to be like specific to understand the best solution of your problem, like that. Okay, next one, evaluate your ideas, means you need to make an analysis of your alternatives, which one is correct, which one is not correct. Based on that you need to evaluate. Okay, next one, you need to have the out of the evaluation, you need to select the best alternative problem solution for your organization problem. You need to select an best alternative. Okay, in this experimentation experience, this is nothing, no need. If you want to write, you can. Okay, in the 6th step, implementing an action. After taking and selecting the decisions, you need to implement it, means you need to implement it, and you need to observe the thing. And last one, evaluating your results. After changing the procedure, after changing the decision, what is your results? That is the 7th step you are having in your first decision making. Okay, so this is also one of the important question, try to learn that also. And the last topic you are having econometrics. So this question topic is also very much important from unit number 1. Econometrics is nothing about the whatever the quantitative analysis are there, we are observing the theory and observation, means whatever the correct method is there to involve your econometric models. In other words, here it is said to be a study of economic phenomenon using observed data. Whatever the data we have got, whatever the development of theory and observation you have got, based on that you have studying a systematic of the econometric. Okay, here in this you are having 2 equations. Okay, single equation and multiple equation. So in this single equation, whatever is there here, you need to remember. Okay, whatever the formula you are having, you need to remember, and you need to what is Q, what is P stands for, what is Y stands for, like that. Okay, if you are feeling this question is difficult, means just leave it. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, so try to learn this econometrics answer in decision making, not much important. So if you want to leave this concept econometrics, you can especially concentrate on managerial economics. On topic of managerial economics, compulsory there will be a one question in your final examination. Okay students, I hope that you have got clarity. If you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. I hope that this video will be helpful. Whether my explanation is understandable or not, let me know in the comment section. Okay, all the very best for your examination and preparation. See you all in next video. Bye bye everyone.